Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding.
Hi beautifuls, I wanted to introduce the vlog to you. Before we hop in it, if this is your first time watching, welcome. I hope you enjoy the vibes and stick around. I deal with fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And I am Tiffany, also known as Naturally Chic, where we believe that chic is simply how you can strut classy. So do it naturally. Let's hop into the vlog.
Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some.
I'm on my way to the store to pick up some ingredients. I want to make taco soup today. The temperature dropped just a little bit, so I'm gonna make taco soup today is election day. I've been working this morning. I got up and did some content before I started work. Now I'm working. Took a break to run to the store. I could have did Instacart, but I don't even know why. But I'm gonna put it in the crock pot. So I'm gonna do crock pot taco soup. You don't have to do that, like if you're pressed for time, but when I get off, I want it done. And I like it in the crock pot because it really gets to just the seasonings and all that get to marry together. So yeah, but I did do some content. So if you're not following me on TikTok, make sure you follow me. But I'll be posting here as well. So let's head to the store. The stores that are close to me is Publix. Publix, I have 3 or 4 Publix around me, and I could have went to. I'm not a Walmart girly like that in the store, but Walmart has gotten so much better. The lines deter me. Anything that there's a line is going to deter me if I don't have to wait. And so Publix, I can get in and out, but I don't feel like driving to Walmart. So with Publix it is. So let's head to the store and get our ingredients for the taco soup, and then we're gonna go head back home and put it in the crock pot. Let's go.
Today was one of those days I felt good. I felt normal. And if you don't know how that feels when you're just off, it seems like you're doing everything that you know to do, but you're still not feeling your best. I will tell any female, any male, know your body, know when it's off, and have those conversations with your doctor. Today I got up and I did content and I felt good. Usually I'm dragging in the morning. I mean, I'm on B12 shots, everything, and I'm still exhausted. So when I got up this morning and I did content before I started work, and then I wanted to cook. So I headed to the store, but it felt good not to feel exhausted. The last time I went to the doctor, I'm like, okay, I'm doing all the things and my weight still is not going anywhere. Actually, it's going in the opposite direction. Tell me what is really going on. How can I be doing all the things and my weight is still going all the things, doing everything I needed to do? And so I thought I was starting perimenopause. I really did. I was like, okay, I'm premenopausal. So when I went to the doctor, I'm like, okay, check and see if I'm premenopausal. So we did all those test results, and then I went back and she was like, everything is normal. So no, but I want to check you for PCOS. And I'm like, are you serious? I'm like, ma'am, sir, I will be 50 next year. Why are we going in the opposite direction of what we need to be? When my mother was living, she always would be ready for menopause. And I told her, I said, Ma,
You are the only person I know that welcomes menopause. She said, honey, that means because I ain't got no more babies in my womb. And baby, I feel that because I'm like, I don't have no more babies. My baby is 16, almost 17, and my oldest will be 25 in January. And I have a little fella that's 4, almost 4. I don't want no more babies. So when my body wasn't feeling right, things wasn't going right, I'm like, okay, what is really going on? Because I've been exhausted.
Going around with you. Think I need some solid ground. Miracle.
So today when I was like, okay, I felt good, I went to make some taco soup. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm getting all the ingredients. I know that will last me a good 2 meals. 2 days. Are you all like me? I cook for 2 days. I try to cook enough that I don't have to cook for 2 days, at least 2 days. So that's really like 2 meals and a half, or something like that. Because my family will try to get it for lunch. I'm like, no ma'am, no sir. Go in there and get something else because this is for dinner, unless y'all want to cook. And eating out, I'm probably eating out. I'm tired of buying stuff. It's not like the buying stuff, but it just, you don't get the same effect as if you cook. Stuff is high, and then you go out to eat and you still are not, you're not pleased. It's not pleasing. You're not full. It does nothing for you. And then you're trying to grab something else. So that has been it. So today I had to come home and do my taco. And this is just corn, red beans, red kidney beans, corn, black beans. And I did 2 cans of each just so that I knew I had enough. 2 cans of black beans, 2 cans of corn, 2 cans of red kidney beans, some rotel tomatoes. So I did 2 cans of that. The only thing that I don't drink is the rotel tomatoes. I put the chicken broth in there, a little juice, mix it up, and then you use taco seasoning and ranch seasoning. I use Hidden Valley ranch seasoning, and then I browned my meat and put it in there, and I let it cook. So if you want to do it all day, you can do it all day. I also want to put dishes up and clean my kitchen. When I tell you I felt good, and it felt amazing to actually feel back normal. When you know that what's going on with your body, you're not crazy. Something's actually going on. And when you can have those conversations and you can try to get to the root of it so that you can get some kind of normalcy back to your life. So I stress everybody, have those conversations. Know your body. Know your body. And so the fact that I did all the things today, and I was not exhausted. I wasn't tired. My kitchen was clean. Dinner was on. I still did some content. I mean, when I tell you content, I did like 7 videos. And for me, I deal with fashion, and that's changing clothes. And usually lately, after 2 videos, I'm like, forget it. I done broke out in a sweat. All the things. And so I felt good. And I felt good. As they would say, growing up, I felt good in my sanctified soul. My kitchen is back to normal. And then I bought these cute little glasses from off the TikTok shop. They are so cute, for the iced coffee, all of those. So I did that. Had to put those in the dishwasher because I really did not feel like cleaning. Why have a dishwasher and I'm not going to utilize it? So we're back at work. Had a few meetings. The good thing about putting things in the crock pot, it cooks for itself. The only thing that I had to do was brown the meat. So I'm having a few meetings today, and just let the day do what it does. And I was not bothered, wasn't perplexed, because last week I was off a few days because I had to travel for family because I had my uncle's homegoing service to go to. So I was just trying to get back into the swing of things. And today was also election day. So you already know your mind is all over the place. Plus work and all the other things that you have to do. So this is just a little insight into my
today. Things were busy yesterday, which is good. I love when the day is busy because this daylight saving time. I don't know if I'm coming or going. I wish we would stop it because I don't know if I'm coming or going. I don't know if I should be asleep, should be woke. The time looks like it should be later than it is, and then you look at the clock and like, oh my God, this day is dragging. But nonetheless, we persevere, we keep going, we keep working. Y'all know we as women, we do it all. And sometimes it's a love-hate relationship. But if it needs to be done, we're going to do it. We're going to make it happen. We're going to make it look good. So that's what I'm doing today. I work 9 to 5 or 8 to 5, 7 to 5, 7 to 6. It just depends when you're working in IT. But we have to go downstairs and check on the taco. Oh my God. Can y'all smell it? This is so good. It's so hearty, delicious. Baby, when I tell you your family would love this, your family will absolutely love this dish. They will eat it up. I usually get tortillas or something like that. Give me a little taste. I had some cheese and sour cream. Super simple, super easy. Your family and kids will love it. Trust and believe.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside them walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
just took a shower, did my face routine, did my shower. It is election night, so we're getting ready to go in there and watch some of that. And you all make sure that you are prayed up, because ultimately God is our source. So you all take care, and into the next video, yeah, because there will be another video. You all take care and be blessed.
I just enjoy